friends, in this video what we are going to do is, since we have trained our model, we are left with two steps, that is making our project by scripting the codes, and then we will learn and test the conditions. So let's proceed with these steps. What I have to do is, now since my model is trained, I have to make the project. So I'll click on the project make option using Scratch 3. So you can see in the left side my block of codes appear, and one more thing appears here, an additional block is appearing here in my toolbox, that as you can see somewhat in black color. Actually what this is recognizing is, this is the trained model, that is trained machine learning model, which we have created a step before. Now on the right side what is appearing here is my output that I'll generate after scripting the code. So let's proceed with the code. But firstly, what I have to do is, I'll upload some of the photos or some of the images of cow and sheep so that I can use that images into the testing conditions. So what I have to do is, so you can see here an option of choose a sprite is appearing here. What you have to do is, and we will select the sprites afterwards. First, I'll create a backdrop. Choose a paint option. So I am creating a farm sort of scene. You can create any scene. So what I have to do is, I will draw some farmical scene here. I'll select the color as green because farm is generally of green color, and do some drawing. If you don't like drawing, you can also upload the image from the internet. I am trying to draw a fence in my farm. I'm filling that with the brown color. Now what I will do is, so I'm creating two blocks so that I could differentiate for my two types of animal, that is cow or sheep, and I'm selecting the color as, let's say, some of the gradient color. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to write here for, let's say, from red color, like cow and sheep. You can do as much as creativity you want. Since I'm not good at drawing, I'm just creating a basic diagram so that I could recognize this as a farm. Now what I have to do is, I have to select the sprite. So you can see what I have to do is, I'll select the choose a costume, and what I'm going to do is, I'm going to upload some of the photos or images of cow or sheep which I actually downloaded before from the Google. You have to do is, you have to download the images of the animals you chose or the objects you chose for this project. At present, I am uploading the photos which I already downloaded before. So you can see you have to upload at least 5 images of each animal you are choosing. Repeat this step until you select at least 5 images. Okay, so I have selected 5 images from my desktop and uploaded here in the costume section. Now I am going to repeat the same steps for my sheep animal or the animal you are choosing. You can select. Okay, so I have done the selecting the images from my desktop. What I am doing here is I am actually collecting the images so that I can use these images during the testing of my project. Always remember to use different images, the images which we took in the training section and the images which we are taking in the test section should be different. Since what we want is, we want our computer to actually recognize the images. We don't want our computer to learn from these images and copy these images again. So, I have created a backdrop and I have chose the costume section as my sprites of images. Since I don't want this costume, I can delete it and put this costume in a trash. Okay, so we are done with this part. In the next video, what we are going to do is, we are going to make our project by writing some of the codes using the code blocks in the left section of your toolbox, and we are going to make a project so that we can perform tests and see how our project is working.